Charlie.
Hey.
Welcome to Pacific Heights.
Great to be here.
Happy to have you at this historical home.
Oh my
Come on in, I'll give you a tour.
This is gorgeous.
Welcome to this beautiful home in Pacific Heights.
It jumps out. When you're walking up the block, this house, I mean, it looks strong.
What I love about this house is that it feels very contemporary, and yet it was built in 1915. It was a 4-bedroom home. It's got great bones, original casing, windows, floor, unusual for San Francisco that it's maintained a lot of its detail. The staircase is magnificent, the handrail is of the period. This has been a really fun project for me to work on.
That's incredible. Talk to us a little bit about the style, because you're a designer. Your style demands your attention, really.
I think that I'm sort of liking, in a period home like this, a consistency in color and design. The house in itself has a central staircase that's really important to the building. So you flow through each room. We've got really high ceilings here. And yet this room, which is the living room, it's chocolate brown, but it doesn't feel dark. It's wonderful in San Francisco to have and to utilize our moldings, our high ceilings, and yet have it intimate, because it's a big room.
This place is massive. You got to break down the actual layout.
When you come in the front door, there is a private apartment right to your right, which is on the garden. It can be locked off, so it's super private. It has its own entrance on the side of the house, which is lovely. That's all tucked away. And then you come to this first floor, which is the public spaces. So that's the living room, the dining room, the family room, and of course the outside area. The next floor is all the bedrooms. And then you walk up and then there's the penthouse. And that's sort of for gatherings, family living. There's the little speakeasy, and it's a great floor.
I can't believe you actually got a speakeasy in the house, though.
Yahooey. Let's go see it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Great.
I can't
Great.
believe it.
Great.
I
And
can't
welcome
believe
to the hidden speakeasy.
You said we had a speakeasy. I didn't expect a full-blown bar.
It's amazing. Top of the house with the view of the city. Perfect bar, perfect setting to end a great evening.
Oh, my goodness. And speaking of great evenings, this city right here, I mean, there is no shortage of action at night.
Oh no, and this neighborhood is incredible. We have everything in this neighborhood. Walking distance.
You did a beautiful job in this home. I thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
sharing
Charlie.
it with us.
I so appreciate you. Thank you so much.